Welcome to Best Productly.
Ten Best Chef Base Refrigerator of 2020. We are going to check out top 10 best Chef Base Refrigerator in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion, and I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this Chef Base Refrigerator, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. So let's get started with the video.
Top 10.
cu.ft 48 Dewy built-in Undercounter worktop freezer, stainless steel built-in and freestanding fridge, Undercounter cooler, 13.5 cu.ft, holding temperatures 0 degrees Fahrenheit, 8 degrees Fahrenheit. Undercounter design. cu.ft Undercounter refrigerator is not only convenient for put the ingredient in but also for putting other per tables or equipment on it. It is efficient for managing your kitchen space. The capacity is 13.38 cu.ft. Excellent refrigeration effect. This refrigerator features an efficient refrigeration system. The environmentally friendly R290 refrigerant maintains a temperature between 33 to 38 degrees Fahrenheit to keep your food fresh, and the self-closing door with a seal close timely to achieve an effective refrigeration effect.
Top 9.
Duker's Chef Base 2-Drawer Refrigerator DCB 36D2. Dimensions WXDXA 36x32 and a quarter x 26 and 5/8. Stainless steel interior and exterior. Temperature range 33 till 38 degrees Fahrenheit. Voltage/frequency 115 V/60 Hz. NEMA config. NEMA 515p. Total current 1.7. A warranty for commercial use only. No warranty for residential use.
Top 8.
Arctic Air AUC 48R48 Undercounter worktop refrigerator. 12 cubic feet, 2 section, 2 doors, stainless steel, 115 V. LED temperature display. This unit makes it easy to monitor temperatures with its electronic thermostat and LED display. Durable construction. A stainless steel front and sides give this refrigerator excellent durability, and it also comes with a heavy-duty worktop surface for added convenience. ESI to load and UN load. To make loading and unloading easy, its self-closing doors have a stay open feature when open past 90 degrees, and they each contain an internal heating element to remove condensation.
Top 7.
Turbo Air TCB 72 SDR 72 Super Deluxe Chef Base. Self-cleaning condenser device. Manufacturer's warranty. 3 years parts and labor. 5 years compressor. 48 pan capacity. 1/6 size. 4 durable drawers with recessed handle.
Top 6.
Cold 4-drawer refrigerated commercial chef base. Kitchen equipment stand refrigerator. 72 W. Dimensions 72.4 WX 32.1 DX 25.4 H. Stainless steel construction. Energy efficient and environmentally friendly R290 refrigerant. Holds up to 1100 olds of equipment. 1 year parts and labor warranty. 5-year compressor part warranty.
Top 5.
Atosa 48 Commercial 2-Drawer Refrigerated Chef Base MGF 8450.
Top 4.
Commercial grade refrigerator stainless steel 3 self-closing doors 80.875 x 32.25 x 82.5 digital temperature controller 72 cu.ft. 9 adjustable shelves R290 natural refrigerant. Designed test specifications. Boasting an ample amount of storage and display space, this industrial-grade, top-of-the-line refrigerator is 72 cubic feet. It has an operating temperature range of 33 degrees Fahrenheit to 41 degrees Fahrenheit, 0.5 degrees Celsius to 5 degrees Celsius, ensuring that your fresh goods stay at the perfect temperature. The 9 PVC-coated adjustable steel shelves ensure that you have the space you need to effectively display all of your items. High performance refrigeration. Factory engineered with a 3/4 plus HP Embraco compressor, self-contained, capillary tube system using environmentally friendly R290 hydrocarbon.
Top 3.
Commercial grade freezer stainless steel 2 self-closing doors 54 x 32.25 x 82.5 digital temperature controller 47 cu.ft 6 adjustable shelves R290 natural refrigerant. Design specifications. Boasting an ample amount of storage and display space, this industrial grade, top-of-the-line freezer is 47 cubic feet. It has an operating temperature range of -8 degrees Fahrenheit to 0 degrees Fahrenheit, -22 degrees Celsius to -18 degrees Celsius, ensuring that your frozen goods stay at the perfect temperature. The 6 PVC-coated adjustable steel shelves ensure that you have the space you need to effectively store all of your items. High performance refrigeration. Factory engineered with a own HP Embraco compressor, self-contained, capillary tube system using environmentally friendly R290 hydrocarbon.
Top 2.
Kalifon 54 commercial refrigerator with 2 solid door, 49 cu.ft stainless steel reach-in refrigerator for restaurant, bar, home, shop and business. Stainless steel commercial freezer. Our product is with ETL certification with ETL safety and ETL sanitation. With USA Standard Energy Certification DOE, saving 30% energy than normal refrigerator/freezer. Definitely be worth your price. Temperature 33-41 to 0.5-5. Precision bottom mount refrigeration system keeps food at a safe temperature. Removable installation board, making easier to access condenser coil for cleaning and service.
Top 1.
Turbo Air 53 Chef Base Drawer Refrigerator. Self-cleaning condenser device. Manufacturer's warranty. 3 years parts and labor. 5 years compressor. 2 durable drawers with recessed handle. Oversized compressor. 36 pan capacity, 1/6 size.
In the description, you can check out the link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.